The Japanese Green Tea Company is happy to present a delicious tea adventure from Japan. Our Genmai Matcha is a unique combination of loose-leaf green tea, roasted popped brown rice, and our popular award-winning premium Japanese matcha. Aside from the combination of flavors, this tea is milder and contains less caffeine than straight steamed green tea. This makes it easier on the stomach and is perfect to consume after fasting or long periods of not eating food. It is also a great fit for people who love green tea but have a sensitive stomach. We create this tea by combining only the best Japanese loose-leaf tea with premium matcha and high-quality sticky rice. All of our award-winning green teas are grown in sugarcane soil, making them naturally sweet and healthy. Enjoy our delicious premium Japanese Genmai Matcha tea. The Japanese Green Tea Company, harvested with love in Japan.